Are you still waking up early every day just to go to work? Standing for hours, whether it's in the heat, the freezing cold, or stuck driving in traffic and black ice, risking your life just to get there? Or maybe you're taking the subway every day, same routine. Sometimes you find a seat, sometimes you don't, and who knows? Maybe the train breaks down today, or you get to work late and get in trouble. And if you're sick or too tired to leave the house, you're still forced to go to work. Because of callouts, points, and the fear of getting fired? If you're happy living like that, then no problem. But if you're tired and you want real freedom and peace of mind, imagine working while lying in bed from your phone or a laptop from anywhere in the world. Then you need to start a YouTube channel using artificial intelligence. AI now makes everything easier. It writes your script, edits your video, generates the voiceover, designs the thumbnail, all in less than an hour. So instead of wasting years in a stressful job, start learning today, start taking action right after you learn, and let your channel work for you, even while you sleep. The choice is yours. Comfort and freedom, or stress, traffic, and a job that controls your life? Start today, because tomorrow won't wait for those who are late. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.